With the market dip, it just gives you an opportunity to maximize some moves. What does that mean? Well, we've seen meme coins take a big hit, namely Pepe, with Bonk, and many others. But in this video, we're going to talk about what is going on with Pepe and why people still believe there is a huge run just around the corner. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button if you're bullish on Pepe. Let's get right into it. So welcome back, everybody. Let's talk about Pepe in this video. It's been a minute since we discussed the 46th highest ranked cryptocurrency out there and the number 4 meme coin in the market. Now, for those of you that track the markets, you'll have seen we've had a pretty big sell-off over the course of the last 3 or 4 days, namely with all the tension in Iran and Israel. But the meme coin market, just under a $50 billion market, $6.8 billion in volume, which is significantly down. We're down about $12 billion and about $3 billion in trading volume. Now, if you look at Pepe though, Pepe holding up better than most. We saw WIF pull back about 1.8, 25% over the course of the week. Pepe though is holding in around the 5-4 range, which is significantly lower than where it has been recently after that big rise up. And I think the overall market around 2.4 trillion just shows there is a massive room for growth. What moves first? Memes tend to be the one that moves. You can see just 8, nearly 9% up on the day. Trading volume around 770 million. So what do we need to talk about? Because the easiest thing in the world is to say, well, buy the meme coins. They're going to be absolutely fine. Well, Pepe continues to do work. And I think Pepe's got to the point now where people want Pepe on their exchange. They want to have it as they predict a big move in the bull market. Namely Swissborg, the most recent one, adding Pepe to its exchange. You see their Pepe token holders can now access 16 fiat currencies, including euros and CHF, directly through their app. Start managing and maximizing your Pepe assets with Swissborg. So again, another partnership that's been built out, and moreover than this, they're wanting Pepe to be integrated into their ecosystem, which is always good news. Now, it doesn't stop there though. We continue to see some good news come out, likewise in terms of the chart, but a lot of people are predicting a big move, namely the 2 front runners, WIF and Pepe. Which one succeeds in the bull market? And namely, lots of news articles are giving the view. It says, this is why Dog with Hat will lose its place to Pepe. Price indicators are suggesting potential recovery, and the meme coin will lose support for the bullish investors given the recent liquidations. And this is the point when we've got huge amounts of leverage trading going on. You see lots of the volatile assets really start to lose their share. And we saw that with WIF. It went from $2.60, rallied up to $4 again, and dumped all the way back down to $2.35 before getting a small bit of recovery. Now, with Pepe, don't forget, we have just seen futures listing on Coinbase. This is a pretty big deal. Are we about to see spot trading on there? The time will tell. I personally think the answer to that question is yes. And I don't think there's a world where Pepe doesn't come on to the platform. And I think that's where Coinbase is just stepping foot into what could be a pretty lucrative meme coin market. So what do the technicals give us? Well, it was a really interesting article here talking about the breakout from the pennant formation, which could be seen as a little bit bearish. Here's the point though. We can see that Pepe can break above the 6 resistance would be good progress. A break above the downtrend from the 24 highs and the 2150 DMAs would be the open to door to more upside. And again, if we take a look on our charts, you can see exactly the same. This is a nice little bit of consolidation. Now, the reality is on the daily, we are still underneath that 50-day simple moving average, which we do want to see it break above. However, the 200 exponential moving average is very, very good. We want to see a MACD cross to start to see the bullish upside move. And what's also important to reference on here is if we were to Fibonacci this from the top to the bottom, what do we see? A continuous hug just under the 236 Fibonacci. A break above that could send us back up to that 6-7 post 6 resistance, and then potentially on to that higher realm. The 618 Fibonacci being a very good point at the 8-4 range could come very, very soon. We see SHIB moving about 4%. We see Pepe moving about 6%, BOEM moving about 9%. There is some absolute ambition in the meme coin space for there to grab some volume, some market share, and the price start to move to the upside again. Pepe does have the advantage. It's never been in a bull market. We kind of know what Shiba Inu will do, but lots of people predict Pepe being the same thing. Now, remember, over 200,000 holders of Pepe is only a fifth of what Shiba Inu has. So we could see a massive rally yet to come. If the market hits a 5 trillion, 7.5 or even $10 trillion market cap, where could Pepe truly be? Do we see another 200% move? Do we see a 300% move? Or do we simply see a smaller move. I, for one, though, predict Pepe as one of the big players of 2024. It was in my top 5 meme coins to hold for 2024 video. Go and check that out if you haven't seen it. But get ready. We've got to get through the halving. We'll see a little bit of corrections. Then the moon boots go on. And I think Pepe will lead the charge to a pretty heavy price point. Let me know what you think about all of this in the comments down below. Are you Pepe, Shib, or Whiff? I'm interested to know. Drop it in the comments, as always, down below. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, turn your notification bell and click all. I'm not going to miss a beat in this bull market. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.